everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my 34-month update for my no buy. I get to buy in 2 months freely if I want to. Do I want to? No. Yeah, you guys know I'm not going to buy for 2 months, and even when I get to that 36-month mark or that 3-year mark, whatever you want to call it, I don't know that I'm prepared to buy anything. I kind of feel like my whole way of thinking about shopping has changed. I still get the urges every now and again. I don't think that's ever going to go away. I really don't think that's ever going to go away. It's human nature to want things. But I don't know. I feel like my thinking has really changed in this almost 3 years. And I think it's really awesome that I could be hitting that 3-year mark in 2 months and I still might not go out and buy something. I know the world has changed right now. I know that things are harder to get and people need to save their money. And I truly still believe, even if that wasn't happening, I feel like I wouldn't be that tempted. Like, truly, honestly tempted to want to just go out and buy like crazy amounts of stuff. I don't know. I'm not feeling that anymore. I feel like my mindset has completely shifted, and I have to say it's very freeing. It's very liberating not to be like, oh, well, look at this new release that came out, and so just got this really awesome new palette. I just don't care. It feels so good to say that. I can't even express to you how freeing and liberating it feels to just not be tempted by things that I don't really want to be tempted by. I feel like if I'm looking at something, I'm truly looking at all aspects of it. Is it something that I truly would love? Something that I can afford or would want to afford? Is it something that would fit into my lifestyle? I feel like I can look at all true aspects of a given product, whether it's makeup or beauty related or something for my house, whatever. It has completely changed my mindset, and it's just so awesome. It really is. I can't even explain it. Anyone else that has been on a no buy for any length of time probably would get what I mean by that. I'm so not tempted. I'm so not tempted. But I do still want things. I'm going to be honest about that. I do still want things, but realistically, like, I could put 600 things in a shopping cart on any given website, whether it's like Ulta, Sephora, a specific brand or whatever. I could put 600 things in there for my birthday or whatever, which just passed. And, my husband could tell me, put it all on my credit card. I'm going to buy it for you for birthday. I probably wouldn't get anything. I feel like that's where I am right now, and I feel good about it. I really, honest to God, do. But I did get some things for my birthday, and they were a little bit late because, the whole, your birthday is after the whole ordeal, the crisis, the pandemic has started. So things were a little out of sorts as far as things being delivered and stuff like that. I'm not going to say who gave it to me, but this person knows who it is. Actually, I think I know a couple people that know who this is. But I just want to share with you what I did get for my birthday, because usually when I buy something as like a replacement or whatever, or if I get something for gifts, I like to share it. Anyone that has watched my recent inventory video knows that I had a few categories go up, and it was due to, getting gifts, which I love. I do. But I like to be transparent. So this is me being transparent with you. I am not in any way bragging at all. That's not my thing. So I'm just going to show you what I got. The first one is actually a duplicate of something that I already have in my collection, but I do enjoy it. It is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner, and this is in Prance, which is that light blue. It's a really nice waterline shade. That's the blue right there. So I'm not going to swatch any of these things because I like to keep them, sealed until I'm ready to use them. I got 4 eyeshadows. All of this is ColourPop, by the way. I have, let's see, Jelly Much. I have 3 Jelly Much. No, 4 Jelly Much. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Jelly Much shadows. The first one is On the Fly. I'm going to show you the backs because that's where you can actually see the color right in here. This one is Fly the Coop. Early Birdie, which I love my golds, clearly by looking at my nails. Love that one. And this one is Strawberry Jam. I'm going to enjoy using that one too. I love my warm colors. And this I thought was cool. They came as a set. It is a blush and a highlighter. It is for the Year of the Rat, which I am a rat. I know it sounds horrible to say, but I am a rat. So these are definitely appropriate for me. These are the Super Shock cheeks, and one is, the blush is, which one is the blush? This is Drop of a Hat. Hopefully you guys can see that. Of course, the glare. I'm not going to swatch it, but that is what that one looks like. Definitely a me color, and it is one of the pearlized. And Goody Two Shoe is the highlighter, also pearlized. And I'm just going to take the top off of that one. Definitely a me color. I love my golds. I love them. So that was my birthday haul. Because even though my husband said, shop, get what you want, and I even had a code for a free Super Shock shadow from ColourPop. You know, he's like, buy whatever you want on there. I didn't. He was like, put it in your cart, I'll buy it for you. I didn't get anything. But these are from a good friend, a very good friend, and I do appreciate them. But again, I wanted to be transparent with you guys about when my inventory changes and that kind of stuff. So that is why my inventory changed. Plus, you know, I did get some PR stuff. Mostly PR was like skincare. So I think I've shown you guys all of that kind of stuff. Usually, like, I'll usually add my PR into when, like, I do a makeup basket or whatever if I get PR. So you guys have pretty much already seen that stuff. So, yeah, that was my birthday haul. And as far as what I'm going to do in 2 months, June 23rd. June 23rd is when it all changes. I still don't know yet. I still have not figured that out. I've thought about doing the, you know, use 5 and I can, you know, buy 1 or something like that. I still, I've thought about it ad nauseum. I really have. And I don't know. That might be a last minute thing, and it might be in 2 months that I still don't know what I want to do, in which case I'll just go until I know what I want to do, because I'm not just going to go randomly buy stuff when I'm done. I don't see that happening. I don't see that ever happening again, whether I'm on a no buy or not. I almost feel like I don't even need to be on a no buy anymore, but I'm going to see the whole 3-year thing through. That's a tongue twister. But I feel like my purpose for being on a no buy has been served. I have curbed my desire to shop. I have curbed my desire to have everything. I don't feel like I want everything anymore. I'm looking at like all the stuff around me and knowing what I have in my drawers here, and it's enough. It is so enough. It's almost too much still, even though I have way decreased my inventory in the past almost 3 years. It feels weird to say that. It really does. But let me know what you guys think. I still I don't know what to do with myself on any given day, much less in this situation. I just don't feel like I need to do a no buy anymore. I don't know. Anyone else that's been on a long-term no buy, tell me what you think. Did you feel like you curbed your your appetite for purchasing things? Do you feel like you really succeeded? Like, did the no buy, did you get out of it what you wanted to get out of it? Because I feel like I'm there. I finally feel like I'm there. I kind of was feeling like that at year 2, but I still had those twinges where I'm like, if I wasn't on a no buy, I probably would buy this. And I don't feel like that anymore at all. I really don't. I don't know. I'm rambling at this point. It is late at night, and my kids have been sound asleep for at least 2 hours or more. Actually, 2.5 hours. So I'm just kind of sitting here doing my thing, and I'm in a happy mood today. I got my sugar skull on. I'm just chilling. So let me know what your thoughts are on this whole craziness thing with my no buy. I want to know what other people think about this, because I know a lot of people will say, or prior to this video would have said, keep going or do this, type of low buy or whatever. And I almost don't even feel like I need to put that restriction on myself anymore. But you never know. It could be I'm just in a good headspace today, and next month I might be, oh my God, I'm so glad I'm staying on this no buy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because it's, you just never know with me. So put that down in the comments. I'm going to wrap this up. So my dog's over there chewing on his feet, which is kind of weird. And I want to go let him outside, and then I want to go to bed because I can. All right, wrapping this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.